Ham Radio Nation, N6TLU operating QRP up here in Grand Marais, Michigan on the bay of Lake Superior. Transceiver this time is a Xiegu G90. I've never operated at QRP. I've got a pretty cool setup. Let me show you what I'm doing and let's see if we can make a contact. All right, I've got my trusty companion Chezzy with me. We're sitting here on the bay of Lake Superior. Got a little cabin set up, which is really nice. Here is the station. Got the Xiegu G90 transceiver, LA Craft key, Astron power supply, and this MFJ tuner. Here is my mini logbook. I actually used this the first time that I came up here to Grand Marais. So I believe right there, 19 August of 1998, QRP Grand Marais. Still got the logbook. All right, let's take a look at the antenna. All right, here's the extravagant antenna system. Got a dipole. I just threw it up over the awning there of the roof. Goes over here. It's tied off to the propane tank. And if we go the other way, we're tied off to a tree. So the apex is probably only up about 12 feet, but it should do the job. Or normally when I'm up here running QRP, I'm on battery power, but since I'm at the cabin, I figured what the heck, let's just use a power supply so I can actually crank this thing up to 20 watts if I wish. But I'm going to start off around 10 and see what we get. Alright, so the sky is looking a little overcast. I sure hope it doesn't rain. That would spoil my fun quickly. So let's see what we can do while we have some time. So here is the G90 transceiver. I was actually kind of reluctant to buy this thing because I didn't know what to expect, but I gotta tell you guys, it's great. It's all mode, very compact, doesn't draw a lot of current, and it's super easy to set up quickly for a QRP operation. Now you see over here I do have an antenna tuner. Even though this thing has built-in tuner, I found that for these type of operations where you're close to trees and buildings, that the tuner cannot bring the SWR down enough. So I am using the MFJ Model 969, and the thing is just great. I mean, look at this. Flat SWR, it tunes like butter. Very inexpensive, around 200 bucks. All right, let me show you this MFJ Model 969 tuning. It's really smooth. I'm on 40 meters, right around 7.115 megahertz. I'll just send some little DAS here. All right, now I'm going to hit the transmitter tune. See there? Here's the antenna tuner. Super smooth, guys. I pretty much set the roller inductor, in this case, at about 109 for the 40 meter band. Just use the tuning caps and she dials right in. Alright, it's only like 1 o'clock here, September 1st, so the band is pretty dead, but maybe if I make a little noise, we'll get somebody's attention. Let's give it a shot. Alright, here we go, send a CQ on 7.115. I'm putting on 8 watts right now. Sometimes a little contact on my key doesn't quite make it. I'm sending slow because I don't want to get on here like a race car driver and scare everybody away. Plus I'm not in the high speed portion of the band. Alright? Got a little activity out here on the beach, a couple boats going by. So I got a station break, everybody else is out. collecting rocks and doing like UP stuff, and I sit back here and do QRP. Yeah? WB8 CCR. Bummer, he's got to run. Well, they heard me at least. Kind of a contact. Hey, he heard me. Maybe he does want to talk to me. Nope. There was somebody there. Super loud too now.
With the wave and the storm that we got, let's see what else is out here.
Okay.
Probably gonna go in the water.
Alright, cool. You pick me up on your metal detector? Yeah. Messing around with my son's metal detector. Back up at 7053. AC4ZH. Let's see if I can get him. Going to CQ again. I think I'm getting a little bit of RF on my key. KZ4D. Got my name. He gave me a 359. At least he can hear me. It's in Virginia. Fred. Alright, looks like the QRP's over because these guys just got back from the dunes, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they bought a bunch of whitefish, and Andrew got what? What's that?
Ice cream and malted milk balls.
Malted milk balls.
Homemade.
Huh?
Homemade.
Homemade?
Mm-hmm.
That's a way to stop the video right there. So anyway, guys, the transceiver works great. I had a good time. I actually just talked to somebody in Virginia. Yeah, on that piece of wire over your head, guys.
No kidding.
Isn't that cool? All right.
Cool. Yeah.
So that's it. We'll see you next time. NSXTLU 73s.